fully built. I had to pick it up, put it in here too.
There can't be two Alpha Titans.
Who bows to who?
Kong bows to no one.
The world needs Kong.
There's something provoking into war.
Also, guys, it is the last week to enter to win the 2006 Dodge Ram SRT-10 Viper engine. Beautiful truck, guys. 6,600 original miles. It is the last week. If you enter my promo code Incredible Hemi, you have double your chances to win. So guys, get your chances in. It is the last week. It ends February 29th. Last weekend of the thing, guys. So yeah, get your chances in. Win this beautiful 2006 Dodge Ram SRT-10, 6-speed. Everything you guys want is the ultimate truck for street, for car shows. You know, you want to race it, have fun with it, guys. But yeah, get your chances in, win the truck, guys. And all right, guys, what is going on? Yes, I am here at Pure Drivetrain Solutions in New York to pick up Kong's transmission. We had a stage 1 built by Pure. We did a stage 1, no converter, because we still have a really good Circle D converter, but we are here at Pure Drivetrain Solutions. We're picking up Kong's transmission. It is Saturday morning, and tomorrow the plan is to get the transmission installed. We're gonna go over to Steve, get the transmission installed. They do have a break-in period for us, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna break in with the transmission. So most likely, I'm gonna be driving the truck to work and stuff like that. On their website, I think it said 500 miles, but you know, a couple heat cycles, no killing it. I gotta reread exactly what to do. We're gonna do the proper thing. But yeah, guys, we are here. We're gonna pick up Kong's and we get it loaded up in my wife's Durango, and we're here, and we'll be on our way. All right, guys, we are here at Pure Drivetrain Solutions. As you can see, we are here picking up Kong's trans. Everything is ready to go. He's getting some fluid ready for me. It's Saturday morning. We're actually getting this installed tomorrow morning, too. So we're ready to go. Now, we did a stage 1 on this.
Yes, sir.
Stage 1. Now, what is the stage 1? What does it really entail?
Break down the whole transmission. We incorporate a billet shaft. We incorporate our own frictions, our own steels. It's pretty much double the friction count across the entire transmission. Everything gets heat treated, hardened, hard anodized baskets. We shop peen and heat treat the shaft. Send you on your way. Awesome, awesome. I'm very excited, man. Very excited, guys. Pure Drivetrain Solutions. Hit them up if you want to get your 8-speed built. I see you guys specialize in 10 speeds,
yeah,
some 6 speeds.
Some 6 speeds, okay. Yep.
Any modern transmission will
yeah.
dig into it.
Awesome, guys. All right, hit up Pure. This is Mike. Hit him up if you guys want to get your trans built. We're going to get this loaded up in the Durango and get it installed tomorrow. I got it built 392, fully built. I had to pick it up, put it in here too. Because my truck is what I race. Yeah, my truck is the race vehicle. All right, man. All right, guys, we are back home. It's about 5:30 now, basically sunset. Back home from New York, picking up the transmission. I'm going to show you some things on the transmission in a minute. Get into the wife's car, talk about everything, and go from there, guys. But yeah, tomorrow we are going to be dropping the trans off to Steve, and I don't think he's going to be able to do it tomorrow. I think he's going to do it another time. But yeah, but we're going to get it to him, and he's going to be able to do it during the week. So let's take a look at the trans. All right. The Pure labels on the other side, guys, but yeah, we have, and they said what they use in all their builds. Amosol 100% synthetic. They use it in all their 8 speeds. Obviously, they have all record-setting 8 speeds, big vehicles, so it's all right. Beautiful. I'm so excited, so happy to get this thing. It's finally built, ready to rock, man. All right, guys, back in the Elantra for now to finish this video off. Back home, back in the Elantra. We took about a nice, I think like 9-hour day with the family. Took her up to New York, picked up the trans, had a great time. at Shake Shack on the way back. Had a good burger. But here's the plan. The plan tomorrow, take the trans to Steve. Like I said, he's not going to be able to do it tomorrow. He said he could do it during the week for me. Bam. Awesome. I'll drop it off to him. He's got all the parts. Fluid, obviously, you saw that. And really install, and then break-in mileage is like a 500-mile break-in period. We got to do that. And then really ready to rock and roll. I am so excited, man. So we'll probably have the break-in done probably like, say, a week. It's more stop and go driving than he said. You know, highway miles don't really count because you're just staying in one gear. I think he wants to shift through the gears. So that's a great idea. That's a great thing. We're going to do that. It's cold out there. That's why I'm breathing heavy. And I just was like, holy crap. So I ran in here and I'm a little out of breath. I'm a big boy. So whatever. So, yeah, we're getting to the trans. As soon as we get the trans broken in, bam, we're gonna hit the track. We're gonna go to the track on the same setup that we went with last setup, guys, because we never actually fully utilized that. We're not just gonna pull it down right away. We're gonna go there with the 325 pulley, put our 93 in, give us our boost aim, bam, see what we can actually do with that. We went 1088 on it last year with the trans being hurt, not misfiring. The converter, we had the detune, basically hurt trans detune. It was just, I think we could possibly get closer to a 10.5 on this exact setup with 93 exact tune. So we can get that, and then we can really turn it up. We'll put the 3.0 pulley on and really get it dialed in for the event coming up on August 14th or 15th, guys. I'm not sure. I know it's that Sunday, not August, April, sorry. So yeah, guys, so stay tuned for that. It's going to be exciting. It's going to be good. Can't wait to get back to the season, guys. Pure, hit them up. You guys want your trans built, guys. And yeah, that's what I got for you today. And I'll get back with you when we get the truck back. Talk to you soon. Peace.